Rajero first meal mate in Canada. Open it. Let me see your teeth. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Get it on? Wow! You like it?
Yeah.
You like it? Right, Rajero first meal. Take your time, baby. Take your time. It's hot. Rajero first meal mate in Canada. Why is that? Take your time, son. Don't want it to be going so hard, okay? Just take your time. Cool it. Remember how to cool it? Okay, let's cool it. Watching his Stevie over there. He's having his chicken strips. Open it. Let me see your teeth. Good boy. Good boy. Good baby. Let me see open teeth. You're alright. You're alright. Take your time. Daddy's taking his time. Okay. I'm going to brush your gum now. Okay. The upper gum. Alright. Good boy. Come this side. Come this side. Come. Come to me. Come to me. Get out of your tongue. Get out. Don't like this. Good boy. Rajero is a superstar. Rajero is a superstar, baby. Come. You're gonna do like this. Look.
Yeah.
Do like what daddy do? Like this? Then speak. Come. Wow, good. Good boy. One more. Good boy. Daddy love you?
Love you.
Good. Yes. It's elevator. Where you going? Where you and daddy going? Are you going down? Yeah. Okay. One?
Yeah.
Alright.
Stay.
It's a big doggy.
Sit. Sit down. Stay.
Yeah. What's this mama sure brought back the car seat. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh okay. You already have it out. Thank you so much. Guys, my Rajero is going on the road. His very first day out on the road. Yeah. How are you doing? What's that?
I'm pretty sad.
I don't heard you. What do you say?
I'm pretty soon.
Oh, you reach soon? Well, I don't know what he's saying, but
I'm pretty soon.
yeah, this is first day. No, second day in Canada. I'm bringing him out. As you guys know, I was working and stuff, so I didn't get that chance. Yeah, just to get him settled in and so forth, and get some clothes for him and some shoes, and you know, you're gonna need his toque. Yeah, his Tom. We Jamaicans say Tom, but he's gonna need his toque and so forth. And yeah, just take care of business. So come with us while we rally on our journey. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the family, Rajero. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Believe you that one land I rolling daddy today, you know. You enjoy any juice? Huh? You enjoying your juice, Raj? So guys, this is my class workplace, but the relationship with these guys are still good. So yes. What? You want the lollipop? Okay, here. Yeah, the relationship with these guys are still good. They're perfect people, and they wanted to see my since I came by to show them. And yeah, just to give you an insight, this was my first work in Canada. Yeah, so they came for me back home, and I did the interview and so forth, and I get the job, and that's how my life started out here in Canada. I'm gonna pull it for you, okay? Just a minute. Yeah, that's how my life started out in Canada, man. So yeah, give God all the glory, because without him nothing would be possible. Most of y'all don't know, but my profession back home was a chef. So, and they wanted chef here in the kitchen. This is like a fast food place in Canada, A&W. Just a minute, Papa. And yeah, this is where I started out, and my first 2 years was here, and then within I'm working, I met my wife, so that's how that happened. And yeah, the rest is history, y'all see. Then Rajero came, and the rest is history, so I'm just bringing him around because I mean, people here are very nice, they're lovely people, you know, they're very kind. So yeah, they're curious to see my boy, and yeah, I mean, I like just to bring him out and give him a breath of fresh air out of the house. So that was my main plan. My wife is in Vancouver right now. I'll probably go for it later. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned for that. That's the one you see what you like. Look at these ones up here, Papa. Look at these ones. You like those ones?
Yeah.
Which one you like? Just take your time and tell Daddy which one.
Which one? Which one?
That's the one you like? Huh? Alright, look at these ones up here. Look at these ones, Pops. Papa, look at these ones. Which one of those you like? He seems to like the trucks. Keep going back to the trucks. Very curious, baby.
Oh, that one.
Alright, you got your hands full.
That one.
You got your hands full.
No, I want it.
That the one you like? That's the one you like?
Yeah.
Alright, put it in the basket then. Put it in the basket. Yeah. Here, this one. Put it in this. Daddy will buy it for you. Alright, come. We're gonna get some more stuff then. Get him all used to the place, guys, and he's very curious. Yeah, that's the girl's side. Now you need to come this side. So we're in the dollar store trying to get some stuff. Yeah. See what they got going on. So guys, these are the only chips that is in Jamaica that I think you'd like. The ripe plantain one is just not the best. So I could get some of these for him. Rajero, put it back. You eating tomato sauce or salsa? You don't want that, Papa. So I'm gonna get a few of this for him. This morning I realized he liked the cheese. He liked cheddar cheese also, so we're just seeing what he likes and what he dislikes, and then, you know, situate his diet from there. But yep. So guys, we just arrived at Walmart. You know it's winter time, so I gotta get Rajero some stuff for the winter. So that's what we have going on today. Papa, you ready? I know. You ready to go and get your winter clothes? Huh? Raj?
Daddy?
You ready to go and get your winter clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so that's what we're about to do now. Go and get some winter clothes for him, and yeah. So we did shop for him before we go to Jamaica for some summer clothes that we know we do in Jamaica, but now we need some long johns. That's what they call these stuff. You know, it's getting colder, so we have to get him all right. You know what I mean? He's very curious, and he just needs his toys and so forth. Papa, say hi to the family. Say hi. Hi, family. Say hi to the family. Wave to them.
Hi, family.
Yeah, so you know he's big boy, right? You're a big boy, right?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying Canada?
Yes.
You love it?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Daddy's taking good care of you, Papa?
Yeah.
Okay, you like the food?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to hear. Alright, so we're about to go inside, guys, so stay tuned. This me and this is mini me. Right, Raj? You're mini me? Yeah, as I said before, we're getting... I'm going to get my wife at the airport later. She just went home to get some closure for her son that passed away, and yeah, I'm just here taking the little one because you know it's my day off, so taking the little one to get him all settled in and comfy. You know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, I have to admit it, I'm not the best shopper. I don't know what to buy for it. My wife would do way better than me. There's something that you're good in, and there's something you just gotta accept that you're just not good in. I don't know what I had, if it's good already. These are the stuff that I get. Just want him to be comfortable, right? So I grab a few pants, I grab one slippers, and what else is in it? I grab gloves. You know, you gotta need gloves for the winter. I wanted to get some shoes too, right? So I'm just here looking, but I don't have the patience, man, and I don't know what to get. So hope you guys can understand. Rajero is having a field day. Look at him. Papa, Raj, you gotta get up off the floor, Papa, please. I don't want baby on the floor, okay? Yeah, so that's what's going on with me and him right now. Just trying to get him all acclimatized. Guys, so regardless, I'm struggling to get some stuff. I don't think I'm gonna pass these $5 deals. These are some nice shirts. Can grab a few of them. Rajero seems to wear his clothes good too, you know, so I'm gonna see how these goes and stuff. Guys, how did I do for a dad that's shopping the first time? Well, I mean, these are the stuff that I get. I think I get some nice stuff for him, understand, but I probably need my wife to help me out. She would be more know where to go and stuff like that. So I mean, it's my first time. You guys don't beat me. Rajero of his truck and stuff. So yeah, this is what I get. We'll probably come back again, get more stuff afterwards, because you know, never know. I get 2 nice pants for him too. Yeah, these are nice. We're approaching the winter, but these are nice for like the summer, and it's not so cold yet. I get his pajama. This is a nice Sonic one that he said he likes, so yeah. And I like these slippers, so I grab it for him also. So let's see. You know, he's gonna need his gloves because his hand's gonna be cold and stuff. So yes, son. Yes. Yeah, we don't want baby to have any sweets right now, okay? So we're not gonna have any sweets, okay, Papa? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. When I'm his age, I don't have so much toys. This guy full of toys. Right? Where's the other truck? Where's baby other truck? Where is it? Show me the 2 trucks that he got. Where's the other one? Did he throw it away? Where? I'm so sorry. Rajero scared the lady, Pops. Alright, thanks. Press 2. Good boy. Good boy. We're on our way now to pick up the queen from the airport. I'm so happy, man. A few days without her it's just not it. Yeah, it's like I don't know my way around the place. I mean, I'm hungry. I don't know where to go and get food. It's like, you know, my wife built that thing with me that, you know, I don't know where to go because she's just always there taking care of business, having my food ready, having clothes ready, having everything ready. To have a wife is a blessing, man, trust me. So we're going now, me and Rajero. Rajero, say hi to the family.
Hi, family.
Hi, family. Yeah, so we're going now to get her and yeah, get her back home, man. Yeah, it was a rough 2 days and you know, we're happy that she's coming home, so stay tuned. Finally reach at the airport, guys. Going for my beautiful baby. It's about time she come home, eh? Right.
Hi, babe.
Babe, I miss you so much. I don't know where the stuff is in the house. I miss you so much. She was sleeping. Guys, she's finally home. But you know, I had to come and get her, so. Babe, you know, I wanted to go and get you roses, but when I remember I had to have the card at Costco.
You're my rose. You and Rajero are my rose.
Yeah, guys, I had to have card to purchase the rose at Costco. I'm like, oh shit, I should have get it earlier, but it is what it is. We're going home. We're heading home, so stay tuned. Yeah. So, guys, as y'all know, I'm so happy, man. My wife, since I've been here, my wife never been away. So she's been away for 2 days, and that drives me crazy. Like real crazy because I get up, there's no one to make my breakfast. There's no one to do anything for me. So like my wife take care of all that. So it's like me being in the kitchen is like, you know, fish out of water. That's what it feels like because I'm like, where all the groceries, where the stuff at, where everything. I know there's stuff there to eat and everything, but it's like, how do I get to this? How do I get to that? You know what I mean? I mean, I'm always cooking, but my seasonings is always there, and if I need meat, it's always in the fridge. Or I ask my wife to take it out for me or something. So
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I say that to say this: cherish what you have. Like, you understand what I mean? Sometimes it feels like it's probably too much or whatever the case is, but cherish what you have because you never know unless it's gone. Like,
I was gonna say the saying is, what is it? The saying, you realize what you have when they're gone, or something. Or you don't realize what you had till they're gone, or
it's
something.
all gone.
But
So,
you know, babe,
yeah,
you
like,
realize before.
I mean, I did the very best I could with Rajero and everything, but
You
yeah,
glad mommy's home?
I was struggling. I was struggling a little, man, where she's at and so forth. So that is it, and I'm happy she's home.
Akeen, Jessica, Evan, Sharon, you guys all helped
Yeah, we all
out.
chipped in.
Yeah, they
We
all chipped in.
Take care of Rajero and stuff like that, and
Yeah.
yeah, it was indeed a good day because I know baby's coming home and
Yeah.
so forth. So
And I got
guys,
to see a lot of people. I recharged my battery, so it was
yeah,
good.
yeah. So just guys, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you get all the new uploads, guys. I mean, we see the likes, we see the comments, we see everything, and we are really appreciative of how you guys supporting the Edwards family.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, man, it's Akeen and Jenn, man, and yeah, we're happy too. And there's lots of work coming. You understand what I mean?
We've been working
so
hard.
We've been working, we've been editing, we've been we've been putting in the work so you guys can get content, and
We've been vlogging, we've been editing, yeah.
so just stay tuned.
And I've been reading the comments, and I'm just like really appreciating all the love. And I'm glad you're enjoying
We're
our...
tripping in. We're tripping in.
Yeah.
Baby's reading comments. I'm reading comments.
Yeah,
and
I'm
we're
doing
trying
a
to-
little bit of comments. He's
we're
doing
trying-
most of the comments back, but
Yeah.
I'm doing a little bit. And yeah, we just really appreciate all the love. I know there's some negative ones, but you guys are taking care of that. We appreciate that. You guys got our backs. We love you. Thank you for the support.
Yes.
So
Guys, just stay tuned, man. I'm heading home now, so
I'm so glad to be home, guys.
they
Trust me.
can get some rest.
Yeah,
and,
I'm tired.
I probably gotta take care of her tonight.
Yeah,
Stay tuned.
absolutely.
All right, guys. See
He's
y'all.
got the day off, so yay. Okay, guys, peace out.
Yeah, no one is going home to cook, so we're gonna try Mary Brown's to see how that works. Okay, so this is what's for dinner tonight. So yeah, ain't no one going home to cook. So, Rajero.
I'm going on a diet.
They beat up a lot in Jamaica, so yep. So this is what for dinner, and then we just take our time and get home. So here you go. These are like the boss. They are finally just pretty. I am pretty a bad boy. More shopping. I told you my wife got it. I was telling you all yesterday. I think we can try him, babe. No, I was telling y'all yesterday that the shopping is not my strong point. But we out again today, getting some stuff for him again. So unfortunately yesterday I didn't get as much stuff. So we did some work with him today too. So that's good. Get him all situated and settled in. And yeah, stay tuned. The vlog is coming pretty soon.
One of those for the bathtub.
What, the boats?
The boats and the rubber ducky.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Daddy.
Guys, I told you, that's my wife. She knows how to shop and get the stuff. Yes, babe.
And look.
Daddy.
And this, I would never think of this, right? So,
Daddy.
No more bottle.
no more nipple bottles.
No.
Daddy.
So this is better. Yes?
You can say that.
The funny thing is, guys, he heard my wife said we're going on the road today. And he never slept. Every day he sleep. And today he never slept. Because you know what? He's going in car. When you want to go on the road. That one?
Yeah.
Daddy done already take up one for you, okay?
Yeah.
So you're all set and ready. Don't worry about it.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, and I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?